We suggest an office to be cleaned daily, but it also depends on the foot traffic, of the building, how many people are on site working in that space, how busy it is. So it all depends on the scope of work, what they want, but we normally do a daily cleaning. Traditional tasks would be restroom cleaning, break room cleaning, trash takeout, vacuuming, dusting, more of the noticeable areas, disinfecting like doorknobs, light switches. That would be an extra service request, that we would have. And that normally would be done on a weekend, whenever like the people are not on site. But that would be an extra service that we do offer the clients. It does affect because, we're gonna have more people in that area. It'll probably require more attention, from us, more dusting, more cleaning of their desks and stuff, depending also what they want. Some people don't want their spaces to be clean. Other people do want their office space to be clean. So it all depends on the client and what they wanting us to do. It's important, especially because of flu-like symptoms going on. We do suggest, disinfecting people's workspaces more often, because of flu season, anything that's related to any virus going on. What this helps with is maintaining, especially with clients, maintaining them, comfortable in their workspace. We all want to come to an office that's clean, that it smells good, that it's been disinfected, cleaned properly, making them feel more, comfortable in their space.